Welcome to English Learners, where language knows no boundaries, and every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply passionate about mastering English, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to English Learners today, and let's embark on a journey of language discovery together. Welcome aboard.
Hi, Emma. How's it going?
Hi, Jack. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I was thinking of just relaxing at home. What about you?
I was actually thinking about having a picnic. Would you like to join?
A picnic sounds fun. Where do you want to go?
There's a nice park near the river. It's really pretty and peaceful.
That sounds perfect. What time should we meet?
How about 11 a.m. on Saturday? We can meet at the park entrance.
Sounds good to me. What should we bring?
I can bring sandwiches and drinks. Maybe you can bring some snacks and a blanket?
Sure, I can do that. I'll bring some fruit and cookies too.
Great. Do you have a favorite type of sandwich?
I like chicken sandwiches. What about you?
I like those too. I'll make some chicken sandwiches then.
Awesome. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Definitely. See you on Saturday.
See you then, Emma.
Hey, Jack. Over here.
Hey, Emma. Good to see you. This spot is perfect.
Yeah, it's so nice and sunny. Did you find the place easily?
Yes, it wasn't too hard. I brought the sandwiches and drinks.
Great. I have the snacks and the blanket. Let's set everything up.
Sure, let me help you with the blanket.
Thanks. This spot under the tree looks nice. It'll give us some shade.
Good idea. Here's the cooler with the drinks. I brought lemonade and iced tea. What do you prefer?
Lemonade sounds refreshing. Thanks.
Here you go. So, what kind of snacks did you bring?
I brought some chips, fruit, and homemade cookies.
Wow, homemade cookies? You must be a good baker.
Thanks. I love baking. I hope you like them.
I'm sure I will. Let's start with the sandwiches.
Yes, I'm hungry. These look delicious.
I'm glad you like them. So, how was your week?
It was good, just a bit busy with schoolwork. How about yours?
Pretty much the same. Lots of assignments. But now we can relax and enjoy the weekend.
Exactly. This is such a great idea. Thanks for inviting me, Jack.
I'm glad you could come, Emma. It's nice to spend time together outside of school.
Yeah, it really is. Do you come to this park often?
Sometimes. It's a great place to clear my mind and enjoy nature.
I can see why. It's so peaceful here. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can bring a frisbee or a ball to play with.
That sounds fun. I'd love that.
So, do you have any plans for the rest of the weekend?
Not really. Just some homework. What about you?
Same here. But I'm glad we have this time to relax before getting back to work.
Me too. This is the perfect break.
And these cookies are amazing. You have to give me the recipe.
Thanks, Jack. I'll definitely share it with you.
Great. Let's enjoy the rest of the day.
Yes, let's. Thank you so much for watching this video, English learners. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this language learning journey with you all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for fluency. Until next time, happy learning.